Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about find the solution of x. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that number 16 that is about 4 to the power of 2. Number 64 that is about 4 to the power of 3. So in this situation, we know that number 2 multiplied by x, number 3 multiplied by x. Now we can change x and number 2 together and we have like this. Now I will put about t equals to 4 to the power of x because we want to find the real number, so t should be greater than number 0 because this one they always provide a positive number, and that's why we need to have condition t is greater than number 0. So this one we change by t and t. Now I will put this one go to the right and we have like this. Now we can do about factorization by t. So in this situation we can find the solutions of t. So we have the first one, t equals to number 0. So if we use about the calculator to find the solution inside this one, we have t equals to number 1 plus the square root of number 5 over number 2. And the next one, that is about t equals to number 1 minus the square root of number 5 over number 2. So if we need to know that t should be greater than number 0, so we just have only one solution. And we know that t that is about 4 to the power of x. Next, we can use about natural log for the both sides. Next, we have the formula in here. Ln 8 to the power of b equals to b ln 8. So in this situation, we apply this formula in here, and this one we have s ln number 4. Later that we divide both sides by ln number 4, and we have the final answer. And this one approximates about 0.347, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.